Hi there. I'm so glad you've joined us today for an engaging journey into the subject of evaluating the cutting-edge capabilities of AI in research and development. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating study titled Rebench, Evaluating Frontier AI R&D Capabilities of Language Model Agents Against Human Experts, brought to us by the Model Evaluation and Threat Research Team. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist, but fully autonomously drives the research and development of new technologies. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might not be so far-fetched. The Rebench study seeks to shed light on this very possibility by comparing the prowess of AI agents with that of seasoned human experts in machine learning. At the heart of Rebench are 7 meticulously crafted, open-ended environments that simulate real-world machine learning research challenges. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tasks. They require significant experimentation, implementation, and efficient use of computational resources. To put it into perspective, 61 distinct human experts dedicated a total of 71 8-hour attempts to tackle these environments. The results? A whopping 82% of these expert attempts made meaningful progress, and 24% even matched or surpassed the study's strong reference solutions. Not too shabby for 8 hours of focused effort. But here's where it gets truly intriguing. When we pit these human experts against some of today's leading AI agents like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and o1-Preview, the dynamics shift dramatically, especially under different time constraints. In a sprint of just 2 hours per environment, the top AI agents outperformed the human experts by 4-fold. Yes, you heard that right, 4 times higher scores. These AI marvels can generate and test solutions at lightning speed, more than 10 times faster than their human counterparts, and all at a fraction of the cost. However, the race doesn't end there. Give humans a bit more time, say 8 hours, and they start to catch up, slightly edging out the AI agents. Stretch that to 32 hours, and humans don't just catch up, they dominate, achieving twice the score of the top AI agent. This suggests that while AI agents are incredibly efficient in short bursts, humans have a remarkable ability to deepen their expertise and refine their approaches over longer periods. What does this mean for the future of AI in research? Well, Rebench highlights both the strengths and limitations of current AI agents. On the one hand, these agents exhibit significant expertise across various machine learning topics and can rapidly iterate on solutions. On the other, they struggle with the diversity of proposed solutions, sometimes misinterpret instructions, and find it challenging to manage long-term, complex projects that require sustained effort and creativity. The implications for AI safety and governance are profound. As AI continues to evolve, understanding its capabilities relative to human experts is crucial for anticipating and mitigating potential risks. If AI agents can accelerate research at unprecedented rates, we must ensure that safety measures keep pace to prevent scenarios where AI-driven advancements outstrip our ability to control them. Moreover, the economic aspect cannot be ignored. Even if AI agents take longer to achieve high-level results compared to humans over extended periods, their lower cost of operation could make them economically competitive. This could lead to increased reliance on AI for research tasks, reshaping the landscape of scientific and technological development. The Rebench study also opens the door for future research by making its environments, human expert data, analysis code, and agent trajectories openly accessible. This transparency fosters collaboration and accelerates our collective understanding of AI's evolving role in research and development. In conclusion, Rebench provides invaluable insights into the current state and future trajectory of AI in research settings. While AI agents are formidable allies in accelerating short-term research tasks, humans still hold the upper hand in sustained, complex problem-solving. Monitoring this human-AI performance gap will be essential in predicting and guiding the emergence of autonomous AI-driven research. As we stand on the brink of this AI-assisted research revolution, studies like Rebench remind us of the delicate balance between harnessing AI's potential and ensuring it aligns with our broader societal and safety goals. So, whether you're an AI enthusiast, a researcher, or just a curious mind, the future of AI and R&D is undoubtedly a thrilling frontier worth keeping a close eye on. Thanks for tuning in today, and stay curious.